said we did 704s.
Right, method
so 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. You picked up the Mickey Thompson Baja TAs.
Absolutely.
Right, the Baja Bosses. And as we stand here, I noticed that they say made in the USA. I love hearing that.
I know, isn't that great?
I love stuff when it's made in the USA. It's what we stand for, it's our brand, it's our country, it gives people jobs, and we talk about this all the time.
And the important things about these wheels too is this 700 series is that bead grip technology, and I am sold on it.
It's got our Westcott Designs preload collar lift, and that's on the factory Fox suspension, so I like that you're able to retain that and use that and make the best out of it.
I think
really
it gave me, for the 285s, it gave me exactly what I needed.
Yeah.
Nothing more. You know, I'm not having to get into, control arms and
then you don't have
sway
to push
bars
the wheel back, and
right.
we're not going to have rubbing issues back here.
None.
With offsetting with the control arm. And then I see it's got a set of our DOM TIG 0 degree with top plates, and they're really nice. And obviously we talk about the welds on our rock sliders all the time, and the craftsmanship that we put into those to build those. Those are direct bolts onto the frame. I see that you chose the modular rack, and it looks like when I look inside here, you chose the basket design or the basket for it. So if they mount up here, you can put a rooftop tent on it, put the bars down here, you can make it into a basket, which works really, really well. This modular roof rack is a little bit taller. It kind of really goes in, blends in well with that, just makes the whole thing fit together really well. So.
I will go back to these and say, these are the 0 degree, and I was 20 all the way, but I have 3 grandkids. So that was a compromise that I made.
Still very functional.
Just for it to be a little bit more practical every day for them.
We use your factory shocks in the back with our rear 1.25-inch puck in the rear. We did airbags in this too, didn't we?
Yes, we did airbags.
And the reason why I know is because he had asked me, how should I run the line or where should I set it up? And I said, let's just set it up exactly the way we did on ours. I always tell people, I want to make it as easy as we can for the consumer to be able to add air or let the air out when they don't need it. And the nice thing is you can put a bunch of stuff in the back, put a little air in it, get the car to sit level, take all the stuff out when you get home, take the tire carrier off, let the air out, and the car drives like factory. I see you have chosen our passenger side rear tire mount, our Westcott Designs modular ladder. Hatch ladder.
That thing's a beast.
It is.
It's a beast.
It is awesome.
Should be an easy decision. I mean, I spent far too much time researching every single one of them, and it just there's no comparison.
It didn't give you any gray hairs, I hope.
No, it was it was fun. That's kind of a fun part too.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
But one thing I did is, and I don't have any concerns with your wind fairing as much as I have on other models that I've seen, is they buff it and they rub. And people lift it up and the paint's gone. It's like I don't have to worry about it. So I strongly recommend anybody to do that.
And the floor inserts will give it some protection from the sun.
Exactly. But I still feel good that I did that. I feel like this is a vehicle that I wanted to buy. Now I have it. It's a year later and now I have it.
And now you've built it out.
It's just, this is the first day of my truck.
We hope that you share your experiences and pictures and stuff
I will.
with us.
I will.
So, but thank you again. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Denise for coming down. Thanks Jackson for being a part of this. Thank you guys all for watching. We really do appreciate it.
Thank you.